Hello everyone, my name is Vishnu and in this video we are going to make a moon shape using HTML and CSS. So inside the VS Code we are going to create a new HTML file called index.html. We'll quickly add up the boilerplate. Now we'll give the title as moon shape. Now inside the body we'll create a div tag div and give it a class called moon. Okay, so after that we are going to create a new CSS file and name it style.css. Now we want to link the CSS file with the HTML1, so inside the head tag we are going to do link CSS. Okay, so we'll go live. Okay, now we are going to study the shape of the moon, so moon shape. Okay, so as we can observe here, we can make a circle and overlap it with another circle. So it's easy. So inside style.css, first we're gonna target the moon and make it a circle. So dot moon, give it a width of 100 pixels and height of 100 pixels as well. A background color of silver, you can give it your choice, and border radius of 100 pixels. Okay, so the circle has been done. Now we are going to use the before pseudo selector. So dot moon before, we are going to give the content nothing. We want to do the positioning absolute, so position absolute. Now we'll give it a width of 70 pixels and then height of 70 pixels as well, and a border radius of 100 pixels. Now make sure that the background color and the color of the moon before pseudo selector must be same. So we're going to give the background color white, so background color white. Okay, so the before pseudo selector circle has been overlapped the original one. Now we are going to use the left property, left 50 pixels. So as we can see, the moon shape has been done. That's how easy it was. Okay, this part is for those who didn't actually understood why did we use this pseudo selector and what is this before and what's going on. So don't worry, I'm going to explain you in a very easy way. Okay, so the first thing which we did was we have made a circle. We have made this circle using a div tag and some CSS styling. Okay, we have made this shape. Okay, so the next thing which we have made is we have given before pseudo selector. Now what are this before pseudo selector? Now this before pseudo selector is nothing but a previous version of this shape. Means the shape is same but it's a previous version. Okay, imagine there's an other shape. It's a circle. Now these both circles are the same, but this circle is from the past, this circle is from the present. So what did we do? By using before pseudo selectors, we brought this circle from the past into the present and just overlapped it into this circle, and we have given it some less width and height, and we have set that background color to white, just like this. Okay, I hope you understood.